Skatta Konshens and Shenseea are few of the names that are aiding the effort to reach a $5,000 goal for farmer girl Jessie. Now, if you don't know farmer girl Jessie is, this is a young lady, 25 years old, and she had her farm and then rob her farm people, then reap her potatoes, and now Skatta them a work for get $5,000 through GoFundMe. So full details on the story coming right up.
See my potato, all harvested by thieves. Not me, the actual farmer, but by thieves.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Jano, sometimes human being can be so cruel and unkind and unfair, you know, but sometimes there are some good Samaritans that will always make sure say them a do the right thing. And in this case, our dancehall artists and producer, industry players such as Skatta are do the right thing, right? So you probably see the video already with this girl, farmer girl Jessie. You know, she's a YouTuber as well as she posts her thing them on Instagram, and she a do her farm people, 25 years old, and she's a mom. And you know, the people in rob her thing, you know, somebody gonna mash up our farm. So them have a GoFundMe for her. I'm gonna put the link. But the good thing is it's already reached halfway, and Skatta go explain that because he's one of the key player in this thing. So here's a video from Skatta explaining.
Yo, I just want to say respect to everybody who contributed to Farmer Jessie's this fundraising initiative. On the item for now, so we just hit the 50% milestone, and it's a good look. It's not even halfway through the week yet, and we actually accomplished 50% of 5,000 US. And this is an initiative where everybody and who choose to come together and give us, no matter whatever they can afford, you know. It could be $5, it could be $10, but this is how we help each other, by coming together in unification. We're not asking one person to do everything. We want a collective body and a sign of unity. We want to exercise unity and getting organized for a greater good. And she deserves it more than a lot of people. When I help poor people, we help people with ambition and a worthy cause, and people who really need it can make a huge positive impact on them community and them family and them surroundings, you know. So big up Farmer Jessie, we just hit 50% milestone. GoFundMe, the link in my account, so all who want to contribute further, please visit the link in my bio and contribute to Farmer Jessie. Big up yourself. Respect.
Yeah, so if you are watching this on Instagram, the easiest way to get to the GoFundMe link is through Skatta bio, right? And also, I'm going to tell you what Konshens said, because I'm aiding at the effort too. And Shenseea just post and says she's in support of it, right? So I'm going to show you the video with farmer girl Jessie also, if you don't see it already.
This church, God said, if they hate you at this level, what they gonna do when I elevate you to a whole nother place? This is just the beginning.
If I ask me, then no one them bad mind me. Imagine when we reach the top, the start to like me.
That song and name cut them all off, and it's by the artist Girl Idiot. And if you don't know Girl Idiot go viral a whole heap of time. You see what I say? Just go on Instagram and follow him page at girl_idiot, and you know how me talk. So let's hear some more of the tune.
But if they think me, I go stop through them a fight me. The world of them I get a shock, a jaw guide me. And no me alone, no face is kind of hatred. And no for we as get to use me and narrated. But listen keenly to the message when we wake with. Java plan for us, the bad get frustrated. So what we are gonna do? Cut them all off. Cut them all off. Serious me all off. Cut them all off. We cut them all off. Cut them all off. We cut them all off. Serious like judgment all off. Cut them all off.
So in the intro of this song, it say, if me not have nothing and you hate me, what when time I get something? And this can tie directly into farmer girl Jessie's story, because she is just 25-year-old and she's a mother, and she a try for farm her food so she can take care of she and her family and not to depend on nobody. And this is the reward where she get from the people them around her, right? Me sure say, I don't know nobody travel across Jamaica go to fear her community and go dig out her her potato them. So I must somebody will live close by and know what go on and I watch her. You see me? And the young lady I try and it hurt every string in my people. Me I tell them God he never chewed. You see me? Because my hate for see them suck me. But like we said, there's a turnaround story to it. Cause now she I get more than what she did have before. Right? So me I go play about the video for you. You probably see it somehow, you know, or for the ones that want to see it, me I go play the video of the morning when she actually discovered that they rob her potatoes. So here goes.
How can mankind be this heartless? Huh? How can mankind be this heartless? A young woman at 25, which is very rare. It's rare out here being a full-time farmer and a mother. And you're out here breaking her down by thieving her stuff. Thieving her stuff. Thieving from her children. Destroying her household, because this is my job. And if you destroy my job, you destroy my household. You're thieving from my children. And you feel comfortable to come out here in the middle of the night to destroy what I took 3.5 months to build. To destroy it in a couple hours. And people, bear in mind, these are thieves that are in the community, among us, each and every day. And these thieves, they sell to the local markets or to evil persons who go to markets. And people who are buying from these thieves, they know that they are thieves, but they continue to support them. They continue to support them because maybe they can get it to buy from them a little bit cheaper than they would get it to buy from the actual farmer. Huh? See my potato? All harvested by thieves. Not me, the actual farmer, but by thieves. If I wasn't strong enough physically when I stumbled upon the scene this morning, I would have been blacked out. I would have fainted if I wasn't strong physically, because I wasn't expecting any of this. I really wasn't expecting any of this. I really wasn't expecting this.
People, Dancehall IG always I go sympathize with female. I cater to a large female audience, and when time I see them I try, I always I go support them. Hence the reason why I even do that video here, right? And most of my subscribers them are female, so I did not forget one of them inside Pandis, and she follow Farm Girl Jessie too. So hear what she has say.
I've been watching Farm Girl Jessie on YouTube for some time now, and to be honest, she has motivated me to show that young people can do farming. She's only 25 years old and she's doing farming. Instead of breaking her, we should try to build her.
Yes, so I want to see how that work. It's not only that Farmer Girl Jessie do this for herself, because she share the knowledge to online, you know what I mean? She have an audience where them can learn from her. And them inspired, as well as you just hear that young lady said, she's inspired, and it shows female can do things on them own terms, even if I'm not farming like she, right? But I love the whole idea of what she have going on. You know, she do it, she farm, and she do the video them, and she post the video them. So, you know, big up to Farmer Girl Jessie. And people do remember that there's a GoFundMe. So if you feel like you have a little mickle, can contribute to it. You know what I mean? The link I got in the first comment. Now let's get to what Konshens say, because Konshens is a man now. We don't really hear a lot from him on, you know what I mean, certain matters. But this one here, him did have to say something. And you'll be able to tell that Scott is very upset from what he wrote. He used a lot of explicit language, but me I go try to replace them with other words and you will still be able to follow, right? So this is what he wrote. He said, listen, every fan or follower of mine, if you can make we run to this GoFundMe, yeah, then B-boy, yeah, go in at the young lady farm and go thief every effing thing dog. She a 25 years old mother and a look for her own by farming to our clot, and them boy yeah, really go find the woman little piece and thief the thing them. Read what me say again. 25 years old farmer, and she have her IG and I live her modern life and I show her hard traditional work. Please go in on my story and swipe up to the GoFundMe link. If even $5 make we do it, and anybody will come from where she come from, if you no buy from them fussy there, you know a thief too. Remember that. I saw them can broke your house and thief your TV and sell back your neighbor upon a price. And him tag Farmer Girl Jessie and him tag Skatta and say respect. So him get the story from Skatta, it look like. So when you say Skatta lead the effort, him really put time into it. I'm not really sure who 100% who is responsible for the GoFundMe, who set it up and all, but from we see how it go, it looks safe, people. So again, there's a GoFundMe link and you can donate, right? So that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Big up everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are, and stay safe out there, all right? Big up.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.